Now this is my HostBeak dashboard. I'm gonna slide down. We have services. I have multiple. I have about just two platforms here, right? But what I'm actually interested is actually my the one I registered recently. That's the hoopsupball.com. Everybody's own is quite different. Mine is usually this is how the dashboard looks like for you guys. Then you have your login into control panel here. So it takes you or redirects us to a particular to the C panel. All right. Okay. Now immediately you get to this particular platform. The first thing usually is either you install your WordPress or you install what's it called, your SSL. So any of the two works. Usually people will say install the WordPress first so that you install it. You can install the SSL or you install your SSL first. Anyone works actually. It doesn't matter which one you do first, right? So right now I've installed my WordPress already, but I'm going to do it again. For those that are having issues, right? Please click on reinstall WordPress. Someone has someone has an issue with this particular with your site, so please reinstall WordPress and we'll follow through the system so that we'll get that. So I'm going to install WordPress first. That's going to be the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to reinstall it so that it will be like a fresh outburst again. So everybody will be like aware of the entire thing. So I'm going to confirm this just to push forward and to see that everything is in place. I'm sure everybody actually, this is actually the process everyone went. I believe that, or I want to believe that. Site name, hoopsupball, basketball, username, strength, password. All right. Everybody knows my password now. My email address, I'm going to put the custom email ball.com, right? Discourage search engines. Please do not tick this. I hope nobody ticked this. If you did, okay, talk. No problem. You can change it later actually. So no problem about that. Okay. Now we have this. Now I'm gonna log in. Right. I have my informations already in. That's why. So I can easily log in into the platform. So this is like simple as Jabba installing WordPress, and I have everything in here down. So now what I'm going to do is actually go back to the admin, the control panel, so that I will install my SSL. I have it installed already, but I just want to show you guys. You can see it's already installed. Network is secure, but I'm going to do it. I'm just going to play around with it. Come on now, guys. I'm gonna hoopsupball.com. So this is how the website looks like, and this is gonna be the admin for the website. And let's check how the website looks like. So yeah, we know that this literally shows that it is installed. Now let us sign in and okay, just to get. So we have this. Now I intentionally told everybody to give me their admin password so that I'll be able to install Envanto plugin for everyone. And to install it, I have a paid access to it. So having the paid access gives you leverage to actually install themes and templates. So in this particular process, you don't need to know how to do this for now, but in case maybe they ask you for, maybe you come to the plugin elements dot this elements plugin here to get templates kits or to get photos per se, and they ask you for what's it called, your token. Some of you, I sent you a particular long nonsense gibberish line of code like that, so you can easily just input it down. So I'm going to add it to this particular website so that I can get it in place. HostBeak. Let me get the password. I don't have the password by head. Where are you? Okay, well, where did I put it? Okay, see it. Just see. All right. Most of you must have received this something of this nature. Most of you must have received something of that nature. I sent it intentionally in case they kind of tell you that it's not connected. You need to connect. Now you can see that it's account connected. So now is what all I can do is literally just search for a photo that I like, right? Search for it. When it pops up, I can just easily click on this to download it per se. So immediately I download it, it goes directly into my media, area, my media section. So you can see this media here. You go to libraries. Literally, that should be the only picture there because this we just installed this. So it is a little bit, it is light, it is lightweight, it is perfect for websites, right? Perfect image size for websites. If you download an image from somewhere else, it can be a little bit heavy, right? So it's actually hard to get all those things out. So that's actually very important, especially for your website speed. It's very, very important for your website speed. If you use thick images, you will have problems. So Element gives you premium photos that are lightweight, that will make your website actually fast enough. So I'm done with installing WordPress. Let's go back so that we'll install SSL. So if you get to this point, all you have to do is just to search SSL at the top, or if you don't see the search button in case maybe you're using a phone, you can easily just scroll down until you see the SSL at security. You see SSL slash TLS, and just open it up. This browser is a problem. Okay, good. Open it up. Immediately you come here. You should see, I have my activated already, but on normal day you should see activate SSL here. I think it was a red button. Let me deactivate this first so that we can easily do it, right? Should appear. Good. Activate free SSL, right? Please activate it immediately when you have. If yours is not activated, please activate it. Then just click on it once and wait. It's a very technical. It can scatter your entire website. Actually, it can spoil plenty things if you do it like multiple times per se. So if you click on that, you can just wait for it to load. If it shows you this, no problem, you are free, right? It says please allow 30 minutes for it to load. So just leave as it is like this, just allow it, right? Then you can click on this force HTTPS disable. You can just do that so that to keep things running and good for yourself. Do not force any other thing. You don't need to do any other thing. Just keep it rolling per se. Now, good. I think we're done with the SSL as well. I mean, if immediately you're done this, you're done. You're done with SSL. You can throw away the key per se for what's it called, SSL. Now, most of us have been having issues with logging in sometimes. I'm going to add this because I think it's actually very important. Let me add it to this. Add in new user, and if especially if you want to add me as a user, right? We are here now. If you want to add in new user, good. Now this is WordPress admins. It will take you to the admin page, but what I need you guys to do is actually click on the users here. Now this is where this is how you guys will add me as a what's it called, as one of your admin or one of your users, or maybe you have somebody that's working for you. You can easily add the person here without any stress per se, right? So this is me, the administrator, the person that's actually working here. So I'm going to add a new email here, media@hansbello.com. My name is Hans-Bello Media. Yeah. Then somebody okay, no, this is for my basketball. Yeah, let me do it like that. what's her name, Link Cat. This is the intern that is working for me, Dukas. Because I'm actually using real examples here. Lenkat. I'm gonna put any password I prefer for her. You can easily change this later, then change the role. Then you can either make her an editor or whatever the person is. But for me, please leave me as an administrator because I need to install a plugin, and only administrators can install plugins, right? So, but since she's actually an intern, what she does for me is blogging. So I'm going to leave her as an editor. Then you can easily create an account for them. But this is literally it. I believe for now there's no other thing you guys will actually need for now. But if you actually need anything as pertain to the control panel, right? I think I've covered most of it. So this is mainly these are the main things that you need for the control panel. So I believe I'm done with the control panel in full. So I'm going to leave it at that.